Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. On video on today, we will be unboxing our BOXYCHARM by IPSY for the month of July. For those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below. So if you decide you'd like to check it out for yourself, that information will be there, as well as a coupon code to get some money off on your first box. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump right in. When we open it up, of course, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Not too much information, of course, to be seen right there. Okay, so the first thing that comes out of the box is an information card, and it says IPSY BOXYCHARM July 2025. The model this month is Wawa, and this one is the Hot Glow Summer. July is your invitation to play with the latest evolutions in beauty. All right, and this is what it looks like. It gives you all the information about the upcoming sales, the save the dates, when the mega drop shop starts, and on the other side, it gives you some information. These do not necessarily represent the items that are in the box, but they're giving you some information and a QR code so that you can actually learn about the items that are in our boxes. The first item that we have is by Beauty Bio, and this is the Hydrating Booster. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And it says this is ceramide moisture, barrier support, and it's a complex with skin quenching natural essence. Interesting. Okay. Now it says this is a 1 fluid ounce size, and it is a PETA approved product. All right. And it says that this one, double action formula, combines lipid rich ceramides and skin quenching natural ictones for a surge of hydration that adds in reinforcing skin's protective barrier. Now, this, of course, is what the outside packaging looks like, and this is what our inside packaging looks like. It's a barrier, it helps to hydrate, and it helps visibly calm and smooth the skin. This is interesting. Now, this is typical skincare. Open it only when you're ready to use it because it only has a 6-month shelf life. All right. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this product is $42. All right. So I don't think we'll be opening this one in the end when we swatch, because 6-month shelf life, I'm definitely not ready to open it yet. I do have my skincare regimen in effect right now. So when it's time to choose another, then we'll go from there. So this one is item number 1. Let us keep going. The next one that we have is by Byron. And this is the Tea Time. And it's the Apple Matcha Tea Clearing Toner. Okay, so this is what it says here. This one is also a PETA approved product, and it says clear, radiance, and mattifying. Okay, let's see what it does here. Let me just show you the inside packaging. Outside, inside. This is beautiful. Oh, it kind of looks like it's full of pulp, for lack of a better way to put it, because when you turn it over, it kind of gives you that feel, you know, when you shake it up and it blends together. Okay, so that is this one right here. This one has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 3.88 fluid ounce size. Now it says, okay, now I did tell you that it looked like pulp, right? Because it is. It is apple pulp. Because, as I said, this is the Apple Matcha Tea Clearing Toner. So it does have the pulp pretty much from the apple in it. And it says it's a pore cleansing toner. And this is quite interesting, to say the least. I want to tell you that. I'm not sure what upcycled is supposed to mean with this, but that is what it says. A pore cleaning toner with upcycled green apple matcha green tea and oil absorbing powder. This one is a 1.69 fluid ounce size. It says it is paraben-free, botanical ingredients, cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free. It says cleanse skin, apply the rich cream to face, neck, and décolleté. Now this one, let's just open it up so we can see what the inside packaging looks like. All right, this is a nice looking package. I do enjoy their products. They are always okay, yes, I did grab something to drink, so I stopped sounding like a frog. But anyway, it says beauty like food should be a health choice. All right, that's from the CEO of this company. And this one has a 12-month shelf life. And as I stated, it is a cruelty-free, vegan, and gluten-free, as well as paraben-free product. All right. 12-month shelf life. Okay. I was hoping that was the case. It does have the protective top underneath it as well. So no, we're not opening it until we're ready to use this one. Okay. I guess y'all hear that a lot from me, but that's because my boxes are very skincare heavy. And I'm okay with that because y'all know I have two of them actually that are just makeup products or makeup related products. Okay, so we have one more item. Okay, I'm not complaining about this one at all. Can you guess why? The last item we have is by Miss Glam. And this one is a 5-piece ombre brush set. This is how it came packaged. So let's just go ahead and open it and see what they look like. It did say that it is ombre. So let's see what this ombre look is. So it is the 5-piece set. Let's see. It does not have any information on the brushes as to what they are. I don't know. Let's check. Actually, it does. Okay, let's just take them out of the plastic and then we'll talk about it some more. Okay, I do have them out of the packaging now, and as I stated, they are beautiful. Now, they're calling them ombre, but it's the brush part itself, not the handle. It is rather nice looking. Do you see the crystals in it? These are really pretty. We just need them to work as nice as they look. Now, this one is a lip brush. You see that? This one is a small blending brush. Then we have a large blending brush, and that's this one. Then we have an angled eye brush, and the last one is an eyeshadow brush. All right, so this is what we have. These are really pretty. They are nice and fluffy. They're not overly dense, but they feel like they could pack on your shadows pretty nicely. Now, the manufacturer suggested, okay, the manufacturer suggested retail price for these brushes, $72. So I guess this is another thing that I'm really glad comes in my boxes, because I'm not paying $72 for 5 brushes, 5 eye brushes. They have to be absolutely and utterly amazing and practically put the makeup on by themselves. This is, okay, let me stop. So nonetheless, that's what this one is. Now, it doesn't even tell me what's so amazing about this particular brush set. I'm really going to have to look this up. And if it's something that's absolutely over the top, I will post it on this video, or I will put it in the description box. All right, so we're moving on. This is the last item that was a part of the box, okay? We do have a Beauty Boost item, which we get each month. That one is an additional, or as they say, an add-on cost. Now, the Beauty Boost item that I received is also a Byron product, and this one is the Basil Dark Spot Correcting Cream. It is a 1.01 fluid ounce, and it is alcohol-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free, phthalate-free, and something else I've never seen before. You know what? How about I put it on the screen? Because I'm not trying to mess up those words. Okay, I'll just leave it alone. All right, it's a hydrating, lightweight cream infused with a concentrated blend of basil and pro-fade complex for luminous skin. Okay, it says that this is a PETA approved product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, of course, this is the outer packaging. This is what the inside packaging looks like. So I really need to do some research on this one to see if this is, well, I was going to say to see if this goes along with the toner that I received, but they're both Byron products. So I do have a regular cleanser by them and an exfoliator. So I'm pretty sure they want you or prefer that we use all of their products, their line, when we are, doing our skincare. That's absolutely fine with me, but I'm just saying, I wondered about that because of the shade, but this is a completely different green than this. But probably doesn't matter. As long as you're using a Byron product, they're probably happy. So nonetheless, now it's swatch time. But what would we be swatching? I think, if anything, I'm trying to decide right here in this moment if I want to use this brow pencil, swatch it for you. Because as I stated, it does have a 12-month shelf life. So, and it's quite all right for me to have more than one open at a time. And I am not using a black, I use a brown, and this one was called Chocolate. And the truth is, it's about as brown as the one that I'm currently using. So that's fine. Yep, it's about as brown as. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but it's not bad. And I do like the shape of it because you can get your lines accurate because it is in a triangle shape. I'm here for that. Definitely like that. It is two-sided. There is a spoolie on the other side. This is the one that was $22. The only quote-unquote makeup product that we did receive, but I'm perfectly fine with that. So what do you think? Are we Boxy sisters? Did you get any of the same things that I received? Now, I will say they know me well when it comes down to certain items that I receive. Now, I am trying to go back to reviewing the items that I get because I want to continue seeing them choose the items for me. I can't be mad if I don't get something that I wish I wanted, and didn't get. But I'm trying to see if that's working. And so far, this I am seeing, and the fact that it's majority skincare, because I don't necessarily put down about the brands and things like that. Do I like them? Do I like the shades? Unless it's a new brand that I haven't tried before, then yes, I will say whether I like that one or not. So that's how this is going. So please let me know your thoughts. All right. If you've received your box, tell me. Like I said, are we Boxy sisters? Do we have some of the same items? Are you choosing to review your products and then choose them as well? Or are you just reviewing them? I would love to hear from you. I really would. So that is it for this box. And I want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as I unboxed my BOXYCHARM by IPSY. And these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was in the box, including our Beauty Boost item. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. You know it's easy on the pocket. Why? Because it's free. Do your thing. Come on over. Share with us right here. Now, make sure you share this video with someone who may not necessarily get the box anymore. It's just somebody that you think might enjoy it. Go ahead and share it with them. Or they'll start using BOXYCHARM or IPSY for themselves. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.